Okay, so how do you get 2 whales in a Mini? It's quite easy. You just get on the M4 and go over the bridge. It's not a funny joke, but the whole idea of getting something really, really big inside something really small is quite ridiculous. However, nature had to overcome this problem. It had to get something really, really big inside something really, really small. And this was DNA. Now, I'm going to multiply up the numbers a bit so they sound more reasonable. Okay? So on average, your cells are about 10 millionths of a meter wide. Okay, multiply that by 1,000, it's about 10 centimeters, about the size of a CD. Okay, if I was to multiply the length of your DNA up by 1,000, it'd be 2,000 meters, 2 kilometers in a 10 centimeter size cell. Okay, this is amazing. How do we do this? Because obviously we do, because we're all still here. So I was trying to think, how as human beings do we cope with this problem? Get something really, really long and put it into a really small space. And we do it with cotton. Anyone that's ever done sewing knows cotton is an incredibly long, incredibly thin molecule. And what we do is we wrap it around a cotton reel. And then we can put that cotton reel in a little bag and we can carry it around. And your cotton stays nice and safe. So if we replace our cotton with our DNA, we could wrap our DNA around our cotton reel. Okay? And then it's stored. However, our DNA is the instruction manual to make you, and me. It's the instruction manual, okay? So if you wanted to read the instruction manual, your DNA, you'd have to unwrap the entire cotton reel. And anyone who has ever accidentally unwrapped a bit of a cotton reel and got cotton on the floor, it gets all knotted and tangled, and it's a nightmare. So what nature did was use lots of cotton reels. So it wrapped the DNA around one cotton reel a little bit, and then used a second one, and then a third, and so on and so forth, until it wrapped up all the DNA with lots of cotton reels, and massively reduced the length of DNA. So when you wanted to make a new human being, you'd only have to unwrap one cotton reel at a time, be able to read it, wrap it back up again, and then unwrap the following consecutive nucleosomes. Cotton reels. I'll tell you what nucleosomes are in a minute. Okay? So, obviously, we have proper words for these, and I just alluded to one there. So these cotton reels are really called nucleosomes, okay? And nucleosomes plus DNA equals chromatin. And I think everyone's probably heard the word chromosome, okay? So that's where the word comes from. DNA plus nucleosomes equals chromatin, and chromatin makes up chromosomes. And that's how we get a huge amount of DNA inside something really small. And I just want to leave you with one final thought. If you could get a whale in a Mini, how much would they charge you to get over the bridge? Thanks very much.